Welcome to Code Station.
Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will be understanding how to install Android Studio. In order to install Android Studio, the first thing that we will be doing is that we will be opening our favorite browser. For me, it is Google Chrome. Then we will search for Android Studio, download. After searching Android Studio, we will be getting the first link, which is download Android Studio. We will be clicking that link. It will open the Android Studio official site and it will show us the latest version, which is nothing but Jellyfish. So as per the configuration of our system, it will directly suggest us the version. So my configuration is suitable for Jellyfish, so it is showing me directly Android Jellyfish download. But if it is not possible, then we have to go and download a specific operating system, which is over here. Okay, so according to the platform, we will be directly clicking on it and we will be downloading. It will be useful when we are downloading it on one PC and we have to install it on some other PC. Okay, so very quickly we will be going at the top of a site and we will be clicking on this download button. So as when we'll click this button, we will see this terms and condition page. So very quickly we will be reading it out, and on clicking this, I have read and agree about terms and condition. The download button will get enabled and we have to click on it. So downloading will get started. As you can see that it is getting downloaded. As you can see that it is taking some time to get download. We will be back when it will be completely downloaded. As you can see that it is completely downloaded. So now we can start with our installation. To start with the installation, we will be directly clicking on this exe file, or we will be visiting the folder where it has been downloaded by clicking this folder icon over here. So we will be seeing this folder, and on double clicking it will start the installation. As you can see that installation has been started. You will be able to see this allow app screen where you have to click on this S button to allow the installation. Now we can see that the welcome wizard has been opened, and using this particular wizard, what we can do, we can start installation of our Android Studio. So on clicking next, it will start with the installation. First, it will ask for the Android virtual device. Clicking on this option, it will automatically add on the Android virtual device in our Android Studio. So there is no need for us to separately install AVD. It will be directly available for us, and on installation we can directly use it. So clicking next, it will ask us the location where it has to be loaded. So by default it will take the program files Android, and in that it will create an Android Studio folder. And on clicking install button, it will start installation. As you can see that the installation has been completed. We will click on this next button and we will start with the Android Studio configuration. So on clicking finish, as you can see that the first screen that it will appear is that it will ask you whether we want to configure as per the installation which has been done in the previous version that you may be having in your computer. So what we need to do is that we need to click on this first option, or you don't want to import any kind of setting which has been done in a previous version which was there in your PC, and you want to start with a new thing, then you will be clicking on this second one. So for now I am clicking on this second one and I am saying OK. So after that it will open this wizard, and using this wizard what we can do is that we can configure our Android Studio. First thing that it will show us the screen that Android Studio will help us in designing the application for mobile, for Wear OS like smartwatch, and for Android TVs, and for automotive. On clicking next, it will ask us that you want to go for standard setup or you want to go for a customized one. So for now we are selecting a standard one and we are selecting next. So it will be showing us what all installation setting that we will require and what all memory utilization which will be required. So I'm clicking next. So what we need to do is that we have to accept this license. So for accepting the license we have to click on this Android Studio SDK license, and we have to click on this accept option button which is on the bottom right above the buttons. Then again we have to select this extra license and click on this option button which is accept, and after that we can see that this finish button will get enabled, and clicking finish it will start with downloading of the required extensions and the tools that will require, components that will require in order to set up Android Studio. Now we can see that downloading of all the components has been done, and in red we can see that the unable to install Intel Hazm. Okay, so in one of my video I have already shown how to install an Hazm and how to solve if we are getting such kind of error. So on clicking finish button, we will be seeing this welcome screen. That means that we have successfully installed Android Studio Jellyfish, and to start with the new project you know that we have to click on this new project option and we have to start creating our project. So for more videos on Android Studio, stay connected with us. Thank you.